Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explain the process of reconciling your bank statements. Whether you're managing personal finances or small business accounts, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what bank reconciliation is and why it's important. Bank reconciliation is the process of comparing your financial records to your bank statement to ensure they match. This helps you catch errors, avoid overdraft fees, and understand your financial situation better. For example, let's say Jane, a small business owner, reconciled her bank statements and found a few transactions she didn't recognize. By investigating, she avoided potential overdraft fees and identified a fraudulent charge early. Now, let's gather the documents you'll need. Make sure you have your latest bank statement, all receipts, and your check register or financial records. It's also handy to have a calculator and a reconciliation worksheet or software. Organizing your documents beforehand will save you time and make the process smoother. Next, we'll compare your records with your bank statement. Start by matching each transaction in your check register with those on your bank statement. Highlight or check off each transaction as you go. If you find discrepancies, such as missing transactions or errors, don't panic. We'll handle those in the next step. Now, let's adjust for outstanding items. Outstanding checks are those you've written but haven't yet cleared the bank. Outstanding deposits are funds you've deposited but aren't yet reflected in your bank statement. Add outstanding deposits to your bank statement balance and subtract outstanding checks. We're almost done. Let's finalize the reconciliation. Calculate the adjusted balance for both your bank statement and your check register. Both balances should match. If they don't, double-check for any missed transactions or errors. Common issues include data entry mistakes or forgotten transactions. Finally, here are some best practices to make reconciliation easier. Reconciling your bank statements monthly is a good habit. Using financial software or apps can simplify the process and reduce errors. Avoid common mistakes like forgetting to record transactions or miscalculating balances. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to reconciling your bank statements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Remember, staying on top of your finances leads to better financial health. Thanks for watching.